How many times, bro? How many times you told yourself that this is the last time and you do it again? This is the last time and you keep doing it again. How many times, bro? Do you really think someone is coming to save you? Just think about it for a second. Do you really think someone is coming to save you? No one is coming to save you, okay? If you think your dad is coming to save you or your mom or whatever, this is not true. They're all gonna die one day. And you're gonna die as well. So the real question is, do you wanna die with a purpose or do you wanna die just like a dickhead? Okay? Choose wisely, bro. You have two choices. Okay? So if you keep watching corn and you keep edging or fapping or gooning or whatever you wanna call it, you will never be the man that you always wanted to be. Okay? By my own meanings, let's say there is a man who have a backpack and the backpack is so freaking heavy on him. The backpack represents fapping, corn, urges, and the person represents you. So, do you want to carry the same bag every single day? Or do you want to take off this bag and unlock in your full potential? It's all up to you, man. It's all up to you. Okay? So, overcoming this addiction is a life-changing. Overcoming this addiction is not only about overcoming this addiction. It's about overcoming this addiction by overcoming yourself. You will be yourself. You will be the person that you've always wanted to be. I am on day 80 and I cannot tell you, I don't know how to describe how do I feel, man. The feeling that you're gonna have is gonna be so much beneficial. It's gonna be so much crazy that you don't gonna have any words to describe it. Okay? So, if you wanna keep fapping, go ahead, man. Go ahead. Just make sure to always question yourself first. Always have this self-criticizing. Why am I fapping? This is a fly. Why am I fapping? Why? What's the reason? And I can guarantee you, if you keep asking yourself the same questions every single day, you're gonna find out that you don't have any purpose. Okay? And everyone that is lustful, everyone that is watching corn, vaping, smoking, drinking, going to the parties, especially if he's not successful, you need to understand that those people are just lost. How come? They're lost because they don't have a purpose. And if you feel related right now, you don't have a purpose, maybe you're still young, you don't know what to do with your life, why making your life worse? Why not making your life better? Okay? If you want to make yourself a bad person, have the worst imaginable personality, being the loser, simply being a loser by my own meanings, it's so easy to be a loser. I understand. If you want to be the best version of yourself and overcoming all those temptations and all those urges and becoming the man that you want to be, then you need to understand that it's going to take time. You need to sacrifice, okay? And you need to be conscious about what you're doing. You need to build skills in order to have a skill set. If you don't do this, you will never be successful. And I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this fly, bro. I'm about to crash out, man. I'm just joking. So, man, think about it. Like men to men right now. I'm talking to you right now. Men to men. Do you think that if you keep going on the same path, you're gonna solve all of your problems? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Okay? This is just an advice from a guy who is gonna be successful in the future and who is currently working so hard and who can tell you that NoFap literally changed his life. NoFap changed my life. Since I was young, for the last 7 years, I always had this addiction and I overcome it. I overcame it actually the last year. And in order to overcome this addiction, there is no secrets. Like I've said, it really depends on each person. But for me, I simply found my purpose. For most people, they are just lost, okay? And the path that you're gonna go through is gonna be so much easy and lustful. And this is the reason why heaven is very hard to access it. Bro, this fly doesn't want me to do this video. I literally hit the shit out of her, bitch. See, the crazy thing, boys, I'm not even joking. The crazy thing about NoFap is that it gives you like crazy powers. And listen, for most people, they gonna start cringing. For most people, they're gonna be like, oh no, that's not true. Bro, I swear to God, that's true. And why do I have to swear? There is proofs. I will give you the best proof, especially if you are an athletic person and who is doing sports. Well, the best example that I will give you is Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson didn't see his wife for years, okay? He was on NoFap, or let's call it semen retention, for years. And in those years, when he was practicing semen retention, is when he became the heavyweight champion of the world. So think about it. And for all of my Christian fellows and Christian brothers, the strongest man got taken down by lust. So think about it. Let this sink into your mind and think about it for a second. Because you need to understand that we are living in a world when being lustful is normalized. Yeah, bro, how we doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. No way. Like, let me ask you a question. Yeah, go ahead, man. How many girls did you sleep with? Oh, nah. What is this question, man? Like, are you serious, man? Like, I'm good at that shit. I get huzz. You know what I'm saying? Bro, I slept for like, let's say 9 to 10 girls, man. Like, oh, this is your body count, man? Yeah, my body count is 10, man. You know, you feel me? I mean, I can teach you how to get girls and shit. Bro, this is a trap by the devil. Corn is free. And I understand your situation. I know where you're coming from. But you need to understand that everything around you is a trap. Okay? Everything. For the most of the part. So, if you don't overcome this addiction and you becoming aware of the world that you are currently living in, you will be left behind and you will never find your purpose. Okay? So don't be the guy who is smoking just to fit himself with others. Don't be the guy who goes to the parties just to fit himself with others. Instead, be the guy who is on NoFap, be the guy who is working on himself, be the guy who have a clear path about his future. For most people, they don't have a purpose because they are distracted by urges, they are distracted by this word, by my own meanings. Specifically, alcohol, parties, vaping, which is gay by the way, and more. So, bro, this is your last chance. And if you're seeing, looking, watching this video right now, this is your last chance to be the best version of yourself. I mean, I'm just giving you a choice. Do you want to level up? Do you want to become the best version of yourself? If yes, well, guess what? It's going to take time. you need to sacrifice. And always remember that if you don't sacrifice for your goals become the sacrifice. This is a very common quote that is very, very popular, and it's true. Okay? So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions when it comes to NoFap, let me know in the comments. And if you can follow me on IG, Instagram, I post a lot of videos about NoFap and overcoming this addiction. And I'm currently working on a free course when I'm going to be telling you I'm going to give you all the sauce by my own meetings. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section. So I hope this helps. And remember that life is all about lessons. Learn as much as you can. Peace.